What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm just gonna jump right to the video. I'm starting off with some old bundles that I had laying around the house and in a well restricted um frontal that I also had laying around the house. So I'm just going to, I didn't show you guys, but I am taking the black bottle, the Got To Be, and I'm just going to try and experiment first. I did this style like 3-4 times over and over trying to make this style look right, but I'm trying it again, and as you guys can see, I have a lot of residue from the freeze spray and the Got To Be gel. Every time I tried to do the ponytail, it somehow kept pulling the frontal back, and it kept making the, a lot of residue on my edges. You guys will be able to see, you can kind of see it, but I'm going to fix it as much as I possibly could. I'm gonna fix it up or whatever, but the residue on the frontal just did not sit well with me. I actually left this style in my hair for like literally one day, and it was out. I was just trying to see, what's the hype on the frontal ponytails. I wanted to see, how would I do with doing it. I really believe it was the frontal and the way it kept pulling back. I didn't let it dry completely, and when you're doing Got To Be glue or using any type of adhesive glue for your frontals, you want to make sure you let them dry. Give it time to dry. I was kind of in a rush this day, like always, so I wasn't able to really take my time doing this style, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway, just in case you guys, want to try it out yourself. But I hope you guys, yours turn out way better than mine did. But I did not straighten my natural hair out, which is one of the things that you guys should do when you if you're natural and you're trying to go with a sleek ponytail look. You want to make sure you flat iron your natural hair, as really good, as you guys can see in the video that I did it. So I don't know, I was just playing around with this hairstyle trying to see how would it look, but I let the scarf sit on for about 15-20 minutes, and then I started to complete the style. But this is just the invisible ponytail I wanted to try out with the frontal, so I'm just doing a little quick braid. This hairstyle is not perfect at all. Like, I hated the way the frontal looked. I actually threw the frontal away. It was totally overdue. I threw the frontal away as soon as I took the hairstyle out. But yeah, I'm just going to just share you guys with the video. If you guys, I'm sure you guys get the concept of the hairstyle, but it came out okay, but not the best. So I'm just going to take a rubber band and wrap it around the end of the braid, and then after that I'm just going to take a needle and thread and just sew it on, because I didn't want to use any glue. I could have used a rubber band at the end, but I wanted to try something different. So I'm just going to thread the ends of the end of the ponytail, and then I'm just going to start wrapping it around after that. I'm sure you guys know how to do the visible ponytail. So yeah, you just take your bundle of hair, you start from the end of the braid or your ponytail, and you just wrap it around until you get all the way to the top. So that's what I'm going to continue doing. I hope you guys, find this video a little bit helpful, even though, like, you guys can see the residue on the side. I don't know, it was getting on my nerves. I kept stopping and fixing it, stopping and fixing it. But every time I pulled and wrapped the hair around, it was pulling the frontal back. I don't know, like, but I wanted the ponytail to be as tight as possible, but it kept pulling it back. So I was just like, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to wear this style for one day, and then I'm taking it off. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful, and let me know down in the comment bar what you guys would like to see next, any type of hairstyles you like to see next. I'm completely done. This hairstyle literally took me 10 minutes. So I'm just going to take that end piece and wrap it around, and then I'm going to flat iron my ponytail just a little bit. And you guys, that residue is just really irking me. it just really just made me so mad. But hey, like I said, this was a hairstyle for one day, just trying something out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.